Hello there, my name is Robin Hoare. I'm here today to do part one of a demonstration of the Turbo Tone speaker cable modification kit from the Den at Keighley in Yorkshire. Turbo Tone is a cable that runs from the socket of a speaker cabinet to the speaker itself. It's a modification I've had done myself in the past and I've been very happy with. So I'm going to talk to you about the gear that we're using today. We've got a G&L Legacy Stratocaster type guitar, cream instrument cable and no pedals. So the guitar's going directly into a Healy Sapphire amplifier on the top there and a Vox cabinet underneath it. I'm going to show you the settings shortly because they're going to be the same the second time we do this later on. So I'm going to play two pieces for you. The first one is going to be full volume on the guitar, is going to be quite distorted. The second one, I'm going to set the volume on the guitar down to about 5, which will give a much cleaner sound. So, hope you enjoy. And now for the half volume version with the guitar set on 5. And now we're going to have a look at the amplifier. Let's have a look at the amplifier first. See, we've got the volume on about 3/4 there. Bass, middle and treble are all on half. We'll have a look around at the back of the amplifier now. Okay, and there you should be able to see the Chord Company head to cab lead, which is connecting the amplifier and the speaker. And next to it we've got a Chord Company mains lead. And then just moving a little closer to that, we've got the Celestion speaker. I'm just going to crouch down here, so bear with me. And now we'll have a look at the wiring in the cabinet. You can see that there. See that there? So thank you very much for listening, and I'll see you in a little while after the modification's been done. So this is all going to be set the same. Thank you very much. Hello there, welcome to part 2 of the Turbo Tone demonstration. So the speaker's been modified now, the new cable's in. You can also have this done on a combo. I had it done on a Music Man 75 some years ago and was really pleased with the results, which led me to have it done just now. So once again, the settings are all the same. I'm just going to show you them now and you can see what's what. And here is the amplifier. And the settings are at 12 o'clock on the treble, the middle and the bass, and just over 3/4 on the volume. Now we'll go and have a look around the back of the amplifier. And there you can see we've got the speaker cable here, there and there. Mains cable's the same. And we'll have a look at the turbo tone cable now. There you go, sitting in there. It's soldered onto the socket rather than attached with spade clips like the old one was. So now I'm going to play the same two tunes that I did before, but I'm going to start with the quiet one rather than the loud one. And here the volume's set to 5 on the guitar. Okay, now I'm going to crank it up. And there you have it. Now you can make up your own mind. If you want further information, look up turbo tone on your search engine, or go to the website thedenkeithley.co.uk. Thank you very much for your time. Hope you enjoyed it.